This young green mamba was feeling extremely insecure, was very, very nervous, and was all over this tree. But he wasn't feeling secure enough to bridge to the adjoining vegetation. Had he done so, he would have escaped. We would have never found him again. It was just too large a piece of bush, and once you lose track of him, it's done. As it was, it took 3 repositionings of the ladder. Each time, a 6-meter climb to the top, only to find the snake has now moved to beyond my reach, and then to find another secure area to put the ladder in. Not easy in that dense undergrowth, and not losing out of sight that that coral tree is full of thorns. And so it was rather a prickly affair.
Above you to the left. Yeah, Bo. But I've lost sight of him now. Do you have a sighting on it? You want the short tongue?
Yes. You got it?
Yeah, he's got it.
Gee, fantastic. Amazing. Look, ma'am. Look. Where is it? Let's see on the end. Oh my gosh, it's big. Wait.
Very hard with all the leaves.
He's going to bring it down this. Yeah.
Okay, I'll have to go down there with the bag.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Oh, you're fantastic. I think I can get it.
Okay, let me go down to him. How did he get there? Oh, through here. Now the bundy dashing. No, I've got everything in here. I don't know if I have another small pipe though.
Big one or?
I honestly cannot see the snake.
No, I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can just bring one this way.
Bag needs to be right way around. It's inside out at the moment.
Hello.
There we go. So just get.
Let somebody do that.
You want to hold the video? Well, let me take it off me.
Okay. Have you got a tube for me?
No.
I gave you a tube when you left the car.
A big tube. You happy with a big tube?
Well, that could be a tube.
Okay.
No. Big tube's not going to do it.
Okay, let me go to the car and get a small tube.
Right.
You sure?
No, it's not as small as the other one. Hi, Saba Baba, I'm in a corner.
Yes. You want to hold the video?
Just hold it like this.
Yeah.
I'm good, you can take me. Super. Great stuff.